Hello students, we saw the calculation of arithmetic mean regarding discrete series in previous video. Now we will see the calculation of arithmetic mean when continuous series is given, okay, or frequency distribution. So firstly we will see the direct method. It is very easy students, just see the formula. It is summation of fm upon summation of f. In discrete series direct method, the formula was summation of fx. Here it is fm and no changes there, okay. See, we have marks given of the students, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Since it is given is range, so we can see that it is a continuous series. We are given with number of students here, okay, that is 20, 24, 40, 36, 20. So this is our frequency. Now students, what changes here, okay, f we know that frequency we are given with, but what is this m here? So m here is students the mid value, because here it is given in range, okay, so we cannot take any number as our x. That's why we will have to find here the m. And what is m? M is the mid value of the series. So mid value of this, okay, or whatever series it is given. How do we find out the mid value? Is by L lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. This is your lower limit, that is 0, plus 10 divided by 2. How much we will get? 5. In second one, 10 plus 20 divided by 2. So it will be 15. 20 plus 30. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Okay. 25. In the same way, it will be 35 and 45. So this is what we have got, mid value of the series. Okay. Now you have f also and m also. We will take out fm here. What will be fm? 20 into 5, 100. 24 into 15. Okay. This is given 360. Then we have 25 into 40, 1000. 35 into 36. It is given 1260. And 45 into 20. It will be 900. Okay. So fm we have got. Now what we need to do? The summation. So add all the numbers here and we will get the value of 3620. Okay, here I am writing summation of fm will be 3620. So we will put this in formula. 3620 divided by summation of frequency, addition of frequency. How much we will get? We will get 140. Okay. So 3620 divided by 140. And finally, the answer of mean here will come as 25.86. You must be quick in this calculations also, because in exam hall you will have to solve all the division work with yourself only. Okay. So students, this is the easy one where we will use the direct method to calculate. Let us see the next method here, that is shortcut method. See students, the formula for shortcut method in continuous series, it is exactly the same that we have used in discrete series. Okay, no change. You can see exact same formula is there. Just one change will be there. It is there we were using x, okay, but here we will use m. So m we have already we are having, okay. From this we will take out d. What is the formula for d? X minus a. Okay. What is a? Sorry, here we will use m minus a. X we are not having. We are having m. So it will be m minus a. A will be our assumed mean. So from m, there we were assuming mean from x. Okay. But here it is range given. So the mid value which we have found, from here we will assume our mean. So our assumed mean, let us take 25. So this m minus a. Okay, this we will do. So 30 here, 10 and 20. This will be the deviation that we will get when we will solve. Just one change is there. There we were using x. Here we will use m. Okay. So d also we have got here. Now what we need to find out? F into d. F we are having and d also we are having. Just multiply this. Minus 400 minus 240 0 360 and 400. So this will come in minus, it will be 640. This is positive, so this will be 760. Okay, so minus 640 and 760, how much we will get? Plus 120. This is what? Summation of f d, addition of all this. Just put it into the formula. A, assumed mean is 25. Summation of f d, how much it is? 120. Summation of f, this frequency that we are having, okay, it is 140. Now you just need to solve this. So how much we will get, students? Here it is 25 plus 0.86. It means that our mean will be 25.86. Okay, so there is no confusion here. It is exactly the same as discrete series. Now we will see the next method, that is step deviation method. If we move to step deviation method, you can see that the formula used is exactly that which we used in discrete series step deviation method. Okay, so here also it will be same, steps will be similar. See students, till d we have found in using the previous question. Okay, till d we have done. Here as per the formula, what do we need? D dash. So I have already told you that to find out d dash, what do we do? M minus a, here we have used mid value, m minus a divided by I. Okay, what is I, students? I is the height of the class or the gap. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, what is the gap here or height? 10. Okay, so instead of I we will use 10. Let's take out d dash here. D we are having minus 20. Okay, m minus a we are having minus 20. So minus 20 divided by I, that is 10. So minus 20 divided by 10, how much we will get? Minus 2. Minus 10 divided by minus 10, 1, 0, 1 and 2. This will be d dash. D dash we have got, f we are having, f into d dash. Okay, as per the formula we need f into d dash. Let us find out this. F d dash, it means f into d dash, this one. 20 into minus 2, minus 40. 24 into minus 1, minus 24. Here it will be 0. 36 into 1, 36. 20 into 2, 40. This is in minus, so how much it will come? Minus 64. This is in plus, plus 76. So plus 76 minus 64. How much we will get? Plus 12. This is our summation of, see here, summation of f d dash is equal to 12. Okay, we will put into the formula. All the values that we need we have got here. A, assumed mean. Our assumed mean was 25. Right here 25 plus Summation of f d dash, just now we have got, that is 12 here. Right here 12. Summation of f, how much it is? 140 into I. What is I here? The gap. That is this, which we have taken as 10. Just you need to solve this. Mean will be equal to 25 plus 12 into 10. 120 divided by 140. Okay, this we can cancel. So here also if you divide, you will get exactly the same value, that is 0.86, and this is plus 25. So your mean will come here as 25.86. So here also you can see, students, that if the question is same, whatever method we use, always we will get the same answer. Okay, you just need to know the formula, and with the help of formula try to find out the values whatever you need here. Okay, so students, this was all about arithmetic mean of all the series. Okay, thank you.